if you want, in addition to just drilling the hole and putting the screw in, you can camper, which is a little attachment you put on a drill, and it's like you kind of like just drill a little divot in the wood so that when you put the wood screw in, the top will be flush with the top of the wood instead of pressing down on the wood.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Making it as perfect as possible.
It have to be perfect. It needs to be child safe.
No.
Otherwise, we're gonna feed you to Mason.
There's a flaw in it. It's not perfect yet.
It doesn't have to be perfect. No, but it's like squish. It's like this one is.
Thank you, Kenyon.